as the Rome Statute Day enters into force for the State of Palestine, Palestine acquires all the rights as well as responsibilities that come with being a state party to the statute.
Palestine was officially inducted into the International Criminal Court on Wednesday. The induction creates two advantages for the Palestinian Authority: an avenue for the Palestinians to press war crimes cases against Israel, and further clout toward achieving statehood. Ostensibly, lodging war crimes charges against Israel would be the more immediate advantage for the Palestinian Authority, which wants Israeli officials prosecuted for 2014's 7-week-long Gaza conflict. According to the United Nations, almost 1,500 Palestinians and more than 70 Israelis were killed. Both the Palestinians and Israel allege the other killed innocent civilians. But whether Israel comes under investigation over war crimes isn't up to the Palestinian Authority. Instead, it's the ICC's decision. And it's a decision that can only be made if a state is unable or unwilling genuinely to carry out the investigation and prosecute the perpetrators. So far, Israel has launched several probes into how the Israel Defense Forces conducted operations during last year's Gaza conflict, though some have argued they're not enough. Which brings us to the other advantage, the potential for Palestinian statehood.
The voting has been completed.
For decades, the Palestinians have been pushing for this. One of their most recent successes was being declared a non-member observer state by the UN General Assembly in 2012. Joining the ICC is seen as the next step in legitimizing Palestine as a full-fledged country and a way to end the Israeli occupation. Israel, however, still says the only path to Palestinian statehood is through direct negotiations. But those negotiations might be a long way off after Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu's election promise that there would be no two-state solution on his watch. He has since backtracked on those words. France is reportedly setting up another UN resolution vote on its own two-state solution based on Israel's pre-1967 borders. For Newsy, I'm Elizabeth Hagedorn, multiple sources, a broader view.